Benvenuti a Roma. Welcome to Rome, a city steeped in history, culture, and la dolce vita. Rome is a feast for the senses. It is a place where ancient ruins whisper tales of emperors and gladiators. Around every corner you'll discover breathtaking art, charming piazzas, and the aroma of freshly baked pizza. Rome is a city best explored on foot. Get lost in its labyrinthine streets and stumble upon hidden trattorias. Soak up the vibrant atmosphere and embrace the Italian passion for life. Whether you're drawn to its historical significance, its artistic treasures, or its culinary delights, Rome promises an unforgettable adventure. Get ready to lose yourself in the magic of the eternal city. Let's uncover the must-see spots and hidden gems that await you in Rome. Prepare to be awestruck by the Colosseum, Rome's most iconic landmark. This architectural marvel, standing tall for nearly 2 millennia, is a testament to the ingenuity and grandeur of ancient Roman engineering. This massive amphitheater, once the stage for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, transports you back to the Roman Empire's glory days. Imagine the excitement and anticipation that filled the air as thousands of spectators gathered to witness epic battles and dramatic performances. Imagine the roar of the crowd and the clash of swords as you stand within its ancient walls. The Colosseum's intricate design and sheer scale are awe-inspiring, offering a glimpse into the past where history was made and legends were born. Just steps away lies the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Roman life. This central area was the nucleus of political, religious, and social activity, bustling with citizens and leaders shaping the course of history. This sprawling archaeological site was once a bustling center of politics, religion, and commerce. As you walk through the ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient debates, religious ceremonies, and market transactions that once filled this vibrant space. Wander through the ruins of temples, basilicas, and senate buildings. Each structure tells a story of the empire's grandeur and the daily lives of its people, from the majestic temples dedicated to the gods to the grand basilicas where justice was served. Picture yourself walking in the footsteps of Julius Caesar and other legendary figures. The Roman Forum is a living museum where every stone and column has witnessed the rise and fall of an empire. For a truly immersive experience, consider joining a guided tour. Knowledgeable guides can provide context and bring the ancient world to life with their detailed explanations and captivating stories. Expert guides can bring the history of these ancient sites to life. They can answer your questions, share lesser-known facts, and help you appreciate the significance of what you're seeing. They will share fascinating stories and insights. From the political intrigues of the Roman Senate to the religious rituals performed in the temples, a guided tour can enrich your visit and deepen your understanding of ancient Rome. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture the grandeur of these ancient wonders. The Colosseum and Roman Forum offer countless photo opportunities, each one a chance to take home a piece of history and share your experience with others. Prepare to be humbled by the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica, one of the holiest sites in Christendom. Step inside and be awestruck by its sheer scale, intricate mosaics, and Michelangelo's masterpiece, the Pietà. Climb to the top of the dome for breathtaking panoramic views of Rome. The Vatican City, an independent city-state within Rome, is a treasure trove of art and history. Explore the Vatican museums, home to an astounding collection of Renaissance and classical masterpieces, including the Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's iconic frescoes. Remember to dress modestly when visiting religious sites. Cover your shoulders and knees. Be prepared for crowds, especially during peak season. Book your tickets in advance to avoid long queues. Architectural marvels, the Pantheon and Trevi Fountain. These two iconic landmarks are must-see destinations for anyone visiting Rome. Prepare to be captivated by the Pantheon, a masterpiece of Roman engineering and architecture. This ancient structure has stood the test of time, showcasing the ingenuity and skill of its creators. Originally a temple dedicated to all Roman gods, it now serves as a church. The Pantheon has been in continuous use throughout its history, a testament to its enduring significance. Marvel at its massive dome, featuring a central oculus open to the sky. This architectural feat was revolutionary for its time and remains one of the largest unreinforced concrete domes in the world. Feel the weight of history as you stand beneath its impressive dome. The Pantheon's interior is a harmonious blend of light and space, creating a serene and awe-inspiring atmosphere. No trip to Rome is complete without tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain. This tradition is believed to ensure that you will return to Rome one day. Legend has it that doing so ensures your return to the Eternal City. The fountain is not just a beautiful piece of art, but also a symbol of hope and dreams for many visitors. Admire the fountain's intricate sculptures and cascading water. Designed by Nicola Salvi, the Trevi Fountain is a stunning example of Baroque art, depicting Neptune, the god of the sea, flanked by tritons. Find a spot amidst the crowds to soak up the magical atmosphere. The Trevi Fountain is a lively gathering place where people from all over the world come to experience its charm. The Pantheon is free to enter, making it a budget-friendly attraction. Its accessibility allows everyone to experience its grandeur without any cost. The Trevi Fountain is best visited in the early morning or late evening to avoid the largest crowds. During these times, the fountain is beautifully illuminated, adding to its enchanting allure. Remember to bring some coins to toss into the fountain for good luck. Each coin thrown into the fountain is collected and used to support local charities, making your wish a contribution to a good cause. Pause 3s. Discover the hidden gems of Rome. While the iconic landmarks draw millions of visitors each year, Rome is also home to countless hidden gems waiting to be explored. These lesser-known sites offer a unique glimpse into the city's rich history and vibrant culture. First, venture into the charming neighborhood of Trastevere. With its narrow, winding streets and picturesque piazzas, Trastevere is the perfect place to wander and get lost. This area is known for its lively atmosphere, especially in the evenings when locals and tourists alike gather at its many bars and restaurants. Don't miss the beautiful Basilica of Santa Maria in Trastevere, one of Rome's oldest churches, adorned with stunning mosaics. Next, visit the Aventine Hill, one of Rome's famed 7 hills. This tranquil area offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city. Stroll through the tranquil orange garden, Giardino degli Aranci, and enjoy panoramic views of Rome. Be sure to peek through the famous Aventine keyhole at the Knights of Malta's headquarters for a perfectly framed view of St. Peter's Basilica. For a touch of mystery, explore the ancient catacombs of Rome. The catacombs of San Callisto and the catacombs of San Sebastiano are some of the most extensive and well-preserved. These underground burial sites provide a fascinating look into early Christian history and the city's subterranean world. Finally, take a moment to relax at the Villa Borghese Gardens. This sprawling park is a green oasis in the heart of Rome, offering beautiful landscapes, fountains, and sculptures. Rent a bike or a rowboat, visit the Borghese Gallery to admire its impressive art collection, or simply enjoy a leisurely picnic. These hidden gems showcase the diverse and enchanting sides of Rome, beyond the well-trodden tourist paths. They invite you to delve deeper into the city's soul and uncover its many layers of history and charm. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Rome's hidden treasures promise unforgettable experiences and lasting memories. Pause 3s. Everybody is looking for the best culinary experiences in Rome. No visit to Rome is complete without indulging in its rich culinary heritage. From street food to fine dining, the Eternal City offers a gastronomic experience that will tantalize your taste buds. Begin your culinary journey with a classic Roman breakfast of cappuccino and cornetto at a local cafe. These cozy spots are perfect for people watching and soaking up the morning atmosphere. For lunch, dive into a plate of pasta at a traditional trattoria. Iconic dishes like carbonara, cacio e pepe, and amatriciana are must-tries. These flavorful dishes are made with simple, high-quality ingredients that highlight the essence of Roman cuisine. Don't forget to pair your meal with a glass of local wine. Afternoons are perfect for sampling Roman street food. Try supplì, deep-fried rice balls filled with mozzarella, or a slice of pizza al taglio, sold by weight and bursting with fresh toppings. These quick bites are perfect for refueling as you explore the city's historic streets. As the day winds down, treat yourself to a leisurely dinner at a ristorante. Start with antipasti, a selection of small appetizers, before moving on to the main course. Finish your meal with a sweet note, tiramisu, panna cotta, or a scoop of gelato from one of Rome's renowned gelaterias. Whether you're dining in a Michelin-starred restaurant or grabbing a bite from a food stall, Rome's culinary offerings promise an unforgettable experience. Buon appetito! Finding your Roman home. Accommodation for every traveler. Rome offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and taste. For a luxurious stay, consider splurging on a 5-star hotel near the Spanish Steps or Via Veneto. These hotels offer opulent rooms, rooftop terraces, and impeccable service. For a more authentic Roman experience, opt for a charming boutique hotel or guest house tucked away in a historic neighborhood. These intimate accommodations offer personalized service and a glimpse into local life. If you're on a tight budget, hostels and guest houses offer affordable options. Many are centrally located and provide a great opportunity to meet fellow travelers. No matter where you choose to stay, book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak season, to secure the best rates and availability. Navigating the Eternal City. Transportation tips. Rome, the capital of Italy, is a city brimming with history, culture, and charm. Whether you're here for a short visit or an extended stay, getting around efficiently will enhance your experience. Rome is a very walkable city, and exploring on foot is a great way to soak up its charm. The narrow, winding streets and hidden piazzas are best discovered at a leisurely pace. Walking allows you to stumble upon quaint cafes, historic churches, and vibrant street markets that you might miss otherwise. However, for longer distances, Rome has an efficient public transportation system. The city's public transport network includes buses, trams, and the metro, making it easy to reach all corners of the city. The metro is a quick and affordable way to get around, with lines connecting major attractions. There are 3 main lines, A, B, and C, each intersecting at key points, allowing for easy transfers. The metro operates from 5:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. on weekdays and until 1:30 a.m. on weekends. Buses are another option, covering a wider area than the metro. They run frequently and can take you to places the metro doesn't reach. Be sure to check the schedules and routes as they can vary, especially on weekends and holidays. Consider purchasing a Roma Pass, which offers unlimited travel on public transportation and free entry to some museums. The pass is available for 48 or 72 hours and can be a cost-effective way to explore the city, especially if you plan to visit multiple attractions. For a unique Roman experience, rent a Vespa and zip through the city streets like a local. Riding a Vespa gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace and access areas that might be difficult to reach by car or public transport. Just make sure to wear a helmet and follow local traffic laws. Be aware of traffic and navigate safely, especially during rush hour. Rome's streets can be chaotic, with a mix of cars, scooters, and pedestrians. Patience and caution are key, particularly in the city center where traffic is heaviest. If you're using taxis, ensure they are licensed and use the meter. Licensed Taxis are white and have a taxi sign on the roof. It's best to avoid unlicensed cabs to ensure a fair fare and a safe journey. With a little planning and these transportation tips, you'll be navigating Rome like a pro in no time. Enjoy the journey and make the most of your time in this magnificent city. Whether on foot, by metro, bus, Vespa, or taxi, Rome's wonders await you at every turn.